Hello everyone, my name is Karsh Chancellor and this is my GIS system proposal presentation for my Prescribed Fire information for Florida Burn Manager's web portal. Prescribed Fire in the state of Florida is commonly used as a habitat and wildlife management tool. State, federal, and local agencies use Prescribed Fire, as well as private citizens and private companies. The Florida Forest Service offers an accreditation called the Florida Burn Manager. Florida Burn Managers are common to most state and federal and local agencies to be in charge of a prescribed burn, as well as in private companies, and oftentimes private landowners receive this accreditation to better understand, a better plan for prescribed fire operations. A burn manager must know weather, fuel metrics, drought metrics, rules and regulations, and infrastructure data about the area which a proposed burn is going to be. Much of this data is scattered throughout the internet and is not easily found in one place. The goal of this GIS system is to consolidate information within a specific area for Florida burn managers to gather information applicable to the specific area all in one place. The concept chosen for this GIS system was to utilize the OpenLayers API. This open source platform offers a variety of features that are applicable to the system. The geolocation services offered by this API are the basis for querying information for a specific prescribed burn area. Having the ability to choose different base maps and then customizing those base maps gives users the ability to reference different types of vegetation, different urban areas, infrastructure, and a variety of things to that extent. The ability to add layers gives users the ability to add data specific to their burn area. Ultimately, the OpenLayers API was a cost-effective solution that offered and housed everything required of this system. Shown here is the home screen for the web portal. On the left-hand side is the query system for finding specific information about an area. Users can use an address, coordinates, or draw on the map and simply hit the Retrieve Data button to find information applicable to that location. This is the interactive Prescribed Fire information mapping screen. Once a location has been entered into the web portal, they will be taken to this screen. The menu on top shows weather data, infrastructure data, Labori KBDI, and rules and regulation data links. The map screen shows the map of their burn area as well as overlay layers and any infrastructure data that is applicable to the burn area. On the bottom, users are given the ability to choose different base maps, customize those base maps, import new layers, customize their infrastructure overlays, select layer features, and export maps. Shown here is an example of one of the information links. Weather information will be listed in the center of the screen with the option to print. Evaluation of the GIS system will consist of surveys, focus groups, and expert evaluations. Surveys and focus groups will ask specific questions to Florida burn managers that have utilized and tested the prototype in the field. Expert evaluations will test for functionality and usability of the system. The timeline for the future for this GIS system involves prototyping, implementation, and maintenance. Once the prototype is rolled out to Florida burn managers for testing, evaluation surveys, focus groups, and expert evaluations will be conducted. Upon retrieval of the report, a final design will be conducted and then rolled into the implementation phase. The system will be rolled out and reviewed for 15 days to give a grace period for any final fixes and unforeseen errors. System maintenance will be conducted after the 15 days and continue to perpetuity. Shown here is the budget for this GIS system. The design costs are roughly $47,000 with a yearly operational cost of $70,000. Benefits from this GIS system will consist of advertising sold as space on the web portal.